Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to clean your trash in Canva. If you're ready, let's get started quickly. As the first step, open the Canva and log into your account. Then click the open menu icon in the top left corner. In the menu that opens, click on trash at the very bottom. In the trash folder, you can see all the designs, images, and videos you deleted in the last 30 days. After 30 days, they are automatically deleted from the trash folder as well. If you wish, you can delete them individually. Or you can click the empty trash button in the upper right corner to clear the entire trash folder. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to clear trash in Canva was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.